boom.
What happened?
She was going about full speed.
What happened?
Yeah, she was going about full speed. All I heard was BAM! That car going that way, this car coming towards me, and the car still running too. And luckily I went over there and took the keys out the ignition because it was smoking, and I ain't want it to blow up. This car right here was coming straight for me.
This wreck just happened. You know who ran the light? You know who ran the light?
Like she ran the light.
She ran the light?
Yup.
Damn.
I didn't call it. I turned out when I pulled up. I started
The lady was coming this way, knocked the shit out of that car right there. That goddamn car's over there on the in the median. He said it was going full speed on that ass. Come on, you got traffic, you got EMS coming.
I need to hurry up and go that way.
You can cross, man.
Huh?
You can cross. When it's time to cross. Yeah, you got a video of that?
Yeah, nah, I just happened to look by.
Oh, man.
As soon as I looked over, I just boom.
Wow, dude.
And this car was coming, the yellow car was coming straight for me. I was scared, boy.
Thank God you all right, man.
Yeah. Luckily, I looked at the time I looked.
Man.
Well,
And you was just like coming to the corner? Damn. Be safe, man.
Alright, you see. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
I'll get this cop right here to help you. Say, man.
Excuse me.
He needs. He's trying to cross the street, man.
Well, I just wait for the
Oh, you trying to get across?
Yeah, he was right here when it happened.
Crazy stuff, dude.
How you doing, officer?
You okay? I'm gonna put this together and give this to you, okay? So nice to meet you. No, not fast.